It's our largest green day ever! What's going on, everybody? My name's Treyding, and today you get the best video I've ever made on this channel as far as outcomes go, right? Today, you're going to see the largest single profit trade I have taken using this system that I've started trading, and you're also going to see the largest single profit day using this system. And that single largest profit trade is the first trade, so you're coming into it right now. At the end, plug it all into TraderView, go over the equity curve, go over the statistics, so stick around for that. If you're excited, hit the like button. If you're new around here, you want to continue to follow along with this journey, learn the system that I used to make this money today, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. With that being said, let's get into the action. We are breaking down some levels. We are now long 75 shares here. Oh, only 75 shares. Whoops. Long 100 shares here on SPY at 445.35. I do not know why you guys... Oh, because I'm not looking at SPY. I'm looking at ES. There you go. There's the position. We are long at 445.35. Sorry, I'm going to be a little all over the place. I actually just woke up. I'm not even live right now. I really slept in this morning. I literally... I woke up at like 9:28. I just ran, logged into TOS. Obviously saw what's going on with SPY, saw where my strategy was about to take a trade, and jumped into the trade. So, show trades is turned on. Let me get this set up correctly. I don't know why it's not working. Let me see if I reload. I am still obviously in the position. You can see where I am in the position. There it is. Then now it's showing. There you go. 100 shares, 445.35. Obviously, we are looking to sell when it breaks up some of these levels. Small gap down this morning, so it's not looking too far away for the sale. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Up $25 quickly, but really nowhere close to getting out at this moment in time. So not a whole lot to get too excited about yet. Now we're up $45. Once again, nice, but with with this early morning trade, the early morning trades honestly are usually the biggest ones, especially on gap down days, because it's the one where you're looking for the biggest move before you get out. These are the ones where the strategy has the opportunity, the easiest opportunity to make the most money. Let's put it that way. I'm up $55, but once again, not going to celebrate unrealized gains, and we're not getting out until it breaks up above 447.5 right now, which is, geez Louise, that's a point and a half away. If that happens, it's going to be a massive trade. We're now up $68. This is really nice, but to trust the system, I'm not going to lie, I'm starting to want to take some of this. Trust it. I'm sitting here like, man, I really want to start taking some of this, but what do I say? If you start taking profits early, you can get yourself in trouble. My strategy has trades like this where it ends up making a lot of money sometimes, and that kind of helps balance it out. That kind of trades like this where you're looking for big money help balance it out and help make it profitable over time. So we were up over $70. I'm not going to lie, I thought about taking, but trust it. Trust the system, get in where you're supposed to get in, get out where you're supposed to get out, right? So that's what I am going to do. I would actually like to go live. I'm not even live right now because, like I said, I just woke up. Wow, $100 up. What a push. What a push in this trade. Wow. Still, it's not, it's not time to celebrate, though. It's actually a little scary because we're now at gap close. From a human technical analysis perspective, what do we just do? We just close the gap while our strategy still is looking up here to sell. We're still looking up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're looking at this bar right now. This bar. So obviously next minute bar here, the minute bar after that up here, and then we drop down here. But trust the system. We did just gap close, and we're in a really nice trade right now. But we're not out, so anything can still happen, right? But once again, I think I've said it 10 times, so I'm sorry, but trust the system. Okay, I actually am going to go live right now. I hope this doesn't mess up my recording. If it does, you won't really notice. I'll just cut right back to it, but I'm going to go live. Am I still recording? Okay, cool, I am still recording. Okay, back to live on Twitch. Hello, Twitch. No one's going to join yet, but such a wild morning for me. I've never slept in that late. Like, I've never slept in until 9:28. Woke up, just barely made market open this morning. I'm usually up and live on Twitch at 7 a.m. I'm usually already been live for 2.5 hours before market open. It's a wild morning for me, sorry. Obviously slept through my alarm. Had a nice little sprinkle of rain going on outside. It was really relaxing. You guys know those days. The rain was hitting the roof. Super relaxing. I stayed asleep. We are now looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're now looking at this bar. So this is our current sell bar. So in 5 seconds, we go to this bar. And then in a minute and 5 seconds, we come down here. So if we can just hold up here for this minute, we will be getting out on the open of the, well, not the open, the close of the next bar, right? Or hell, maybe we push, or we're trying high a day again. Once again, it's running into this gap close. Can it break through that? We're back up over $100 in this trade. Too effing cold. Good morning. I'm sorry I am late. Let me actually get some music on for you guys on Twitch. Ooh, wow, $130. Trust the system. Remember, hey, don't get out here. Don't get out too early. I wanted to get out at $70, remember? When I was up 70, I wanted to get out. Once again, we're not out. Anything can still happen, but wow, what a trade this is. This is awesome. This is awesome. So, it looks like we're not going to sell this candle still because this sell condition was all the way up there. But now, here in 8 seconds, our sell condition drops down here. So, we're going to be selling half. Or we're going to be selling into this candle. I'm actually selling half here. I know this is now a sell candle, and this is just a huge push. So I'm selling half. It's a massive push. Just a huge green candle. And the whole point of the strategy is to buy dips, sell rips. And the way I have it coded, well, the only way I can get it to work in Thinkorswim is to sell at the close of the candle. For some reason, Thinkorswim strategies won't let you calculate intra-candle. So when I get huge rips like this, and I know it's meeting the sell condition, I like to take some. We're still in 50 shares though. Wow. 160. It's still pushing. This is our biggest win. This is our biggest win. Our biggest win before this was only $95. This is by a long shot our largest single trade win using this system. I said that could happen. I said that could happen when I bought this. Wow. Okay, we're out here. $157.56. First trade of the Disley day. Ooh! My gosh. We are green in this trade. In 30 seconds, we are out. Anything can happen still, but wow, we were down at least $80. I don't remember how low the exact low was, but wow. I'm selling half here. This is a nice rip. This is a big, nice rip candle. I'm selling half. Wow. I was actually getting a little frustrated down here. And it was like, damn, dude, freaking, we're just going to give up our gains, aren't we? But that's the human emotion. That's why having a coded algorithm is so nice. That was my human emotion coming out a little bit more than it probably should have. But it doesn't mean I acted on it. I still trust in my algorithm. And we still got the move. And we made roughly $30 in that trade. Okay, this is a sell candle. Wherever this bar closes, we are out of the trade. See if we can get some kind of push up. We're back over $200. That's nice. I'm selling half here. It's a nice push. It's a nice push into our sell. That took a awkwardly long time to fill. Nice push into our sell candle, so I'll sell half. Yeah. Damn it. This song was intense. Okay, SPY is very rejecty right now. SPY is super downtrendy. You can't really see it as much from this wider stretch screen, but from this screen where I trade from, you can see the downtrend better. We're just every single pop is getting sold into right now on SPY over the last like 30 minutes since this high at 10 a.m. Every spike's been getting sold into. No, don't drop us back down below 200. Oh, you bastard. Get out of the trade. Dude, it takes so long to fill. Aww. For no other reason other than I just want to be up 200 today. That's annoying. Now this is a short candle. If it doesn't break that SMA, which it's close to doing. If it doesn't break that SMA at 446.40, this is a short candle. Okay. Now we're short for real. I did accidentally short where I wasn't supposed to, but now we are short for real at 446.18. Wow, and we're getting an immediate roll in our direction. That is nice. Did just talk about how over the last 30 minutes, every spike, every move up on SPY has been getting sold into. So, happy with shorting there. I am short 100 shares. I know this looks weird because I accidentally took a trade where I wasn't supposed to and immediately flattened, but see my position here. Cover candle is here. Let's see the move down. Come on, SPY. We're back up 230 on the day. Let me get back here. Get back over 200 for close. Let me not flex the unrealized gains this time. Nice, nice. Look at this 5-minute topping tail. Gross. Look at the 5-minute chart. Gross. It's a gross candle. Okay, cover candle is now, well, still down here. Still down here, cover candle. 445.5. Your algo is exceptional today, but I'm wary of a squeeze. Algo's not exceptional today. Algo's exceptional in the last 12 months, right? That's what matters. You can't be worried about what's going to happen in one trade right now. Or even like celebrate too much today. Yes, okay, we're up. I'm not gonna pretend like I'm not celebrating being over $200 up, but it's profitability over the last 12 months is what matters. If I do get squeezed here, who cares? That happens sometimes. I see too many beginners talk about how they're scared or they're, oh, Trey, you can't take this. Look at how SPY looks. Or Trey, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. You can't build a strategy around fear. You'll never make money. You might be break even because you don't take any trades. Hardly take any trades. But if you start trying to build a strategy around, I tweeted this yesterday. If you start trying to build a strategy around the worst case scenario, you'll miss out on all the green because you won't take the trades like you're supposed to. You're scared of everything. I talk about this, but you won't get green until you can truly accept the red, right? You've got to be able to truly accept the red to ever be green. It sounds weird to say, but hopefully it makes sense to somebody out there. You can't be afraid of being red. It's holding you back from being green. Afraid of being red is holding you back from being green. Surprised you're still on? Well, I mean, I've only been live for an hour. I've only been live for 59 minutes. Where were you? I slept in this morning, bro. Slept in. By the way, we are getting pushed up into now. Now red in this trade. Unfortunate. We're nicely green. Now red. But didn't meet our cover conditions, so no big deal. I'm quite scraped 90% of the time. Like I said, don't have any back testing or proof strategy that works. Yes. Back testing gets rid of that fear. It's the best way to get rid of that fear of being red. Is back testing, proof of concept. Because I know sometimes I'm going to be red. I know I'm going to have red days. I know I'm going to take sometimes large-ish red trades. But I know over time it works. I know each trade has positive expected value. That's the easiest way to get rid of that fear. Have you considered if market conditions change? Therefore, you should test the last 30 years. Yes. So I did run this strategy when I didn't backtest the last 30 years consistently. That would be kind of ridiculous. But I did test during 2017 when the VIX was super low. In 2017, by the way, we are getting squeezed into. In 2017, the VIX was like dumb low, meaning volatility was dumb low. Here, stupid low. I ran my strategy here. It didn't work. This strat doesn't work when the VIX is at a base of like 9 and trading down here. It doesn't work. This is a higher volatility market condition strategy. But we continue to optimize every month we optimize the strategy. We change the variables every month to match changing market conditions, right? And if it ends up just straight up not working anymore, if the VIX drops, we now have this idea of how important building systems is. Maybe we have to look into building another system. We have to find a system that does work during that low volatility. Also, during that low volatility, I promise you there was still volatile stocks, like individual names. So like maybe during that, you need to take the strategy to the individual names instead of trading SPY every day, right? But yes, to answer your question long-windedly, I have tested it against other market conditions, yes. At least market doesn't open at 6:30 for you. Well, I would have missed the whole day today if that happened. If it opened at 6:30 for me. I woke up at 9:28 this morning. I threw some mouthwash in, went to the bathroom quickly, ran to my computer. Thankfully, just in time to catch this trade. You guys will see it all in the recording. I did get in the trade and get my recording all fired up and stuff, so you guys will see all this in the YouTube video at close. Okay, we're back to almost break even in this trade. Our cover condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is down here. This is our cover condition currently. I lied. This is our cover. No, wait. Oh, I just missed. I think I just missed the line by so much. It looks like it's off. Yes, I did. Okay, this is our cover condition. Sorry. There you go. Back to green in this trade. Back up 25 bucks in it, but we're not covering yet. Party too hard last night? No. No. I didn't drink or I didn't have a single sip of alcohol last night. I didn't do anything last night. I did stay up a little late. I was actually looking at algorithm stuff until roughly 11:30. I do normally go to bed at 10:30, so I did stay up an hour late last night, but it's no excuse for sleeping in 2 hours. This almost met our cover condition, not quite yet. Okay, now it did. Yep, now it did. Now we are covering wherever this candle closes in 40 seconds. Oh, no. Yes, we did get squeezed in a little bit, but guess what? We don't panic. We're not panic. Oh my god, panic cover. Oh, it's squeezing. Oh no. This is also why it's nearly impossible so far for me. It's been impossible for me to find a stop loss that makes this strategy better. Okay, we're out half here because so many stop losses would have exited there. Exited for that loss up there instead of holding, waiting, getting this rollover in your direction. Ooh, still rolling too. Nice. 10 seconds. We're out the rest. I'm taking the rest here. This is such a nice roll. Closing in 5 seconds anyway. Nice win. Up 240 on the day, chat. It's our largest green day ever. Alrighty, so that is the end of the live recorded trades and is the end of my trading day. I'm up $240. I was stoked on that, very happy. It's my largest green day ever. The strategy actually kept crushing, but I was very happy with where I sat. When I do get up kind of my largest green days, I don't have profit targets per se, but when I can say I've had my largest green day ever, well, at least since trading this strategy, it's a pretty good place to stop, especially when I'm doing that inside of an hour of market open. Well, an hour and 8 minutes of market open, I hit my largest green day ever. I'm happy enough with that. I'm willing to go do other stuff with my day after that right now. I want to talk about a couple of things in that video. First, me showing you just the end of the trade. I did that twice in this video. Now, I don't show you every trade anyway. Like, there's a couple of trades in here today that I didn't show. And those are the ones that really are like inside $10, either gain or loss. I really don't find it necessary to add 7-8 minutes to the video for a $10 moving trade. It's just not, the value just isn't there. And then on the like $20 to $30 winners or losers, like those are the trades that I just showed you the end of today. I think I want to start doing that, those kind of like mid trades, just show you the end. You can obviously still see where I got in. You can see how the trade played out, but I know most people aren't going to have 40, 45 minutes every day to watch how Trey did trading to watch a trading stocks recap. So I like to get my videos down closer to 20 minutes while still trying to provide you guys value. So let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. Also, I talked about how the system didn't work in 2017, and that is true. I did run the system against the time when VIX was super, super low in 2017. I just want to highlight that the system didn't get crushed during that time frame. It was actually very break even, just to a little bit green during that time frame, because that's important, because you can't ever perfectly guess when market conditions are going to change, right? So if you have a system that works in a market condition but gets crushed outside of the market condition, then it's going to be really not that useful, because if you're giving up all your gains when the market conditions change, that's not good. But during the 2017 low VIX, this system still traded largely sideways. It just wasn't a profitable edge, right? I just wanted to talk about that because that's an important thing when testing a system, how it reacts to market changes and differences in market conditions and stuff like that. Anyway, blah blah. Let's go ahead and bring over the trader view statistics. We actually have not even filled out a full 30 days yet. I went and counted. This is 29 days. Obviously, it's 30 days, but it's 30 trading days. So we still haven't filled out this whole chart since we started using the system on February 28th. Tomorrow will be the day that fills out this chart fully, and we are up $1,328. Just awesome. Just amazing. Obviously, largest red day today, largest single moving day either direction today, up $240.64 inside of an hour. Well, right at an hour of market open. Just absolutely insane what this system has done for me. And once again, I have given you guys this system. I've given you the code. I've shown you how to set it up. You can copy the code, have it set up in about 15 seconds, and you can have an equity curve that looks like this. I'm really trying my best here to help you guys. You can see largest gain, $157.56. That was this morning's trade. This morning's trade was that $157 winner. 65% win rate still. All the other detailed statistics are here. Scroll down if any of this is interesting to you. That's actually a little interesting. If we had a trade that we held for a long time that gave us money, I guess. Usually the longer you hold trades, the more money you lose with this system, but that's an interesting little perk there. When did I hold a trade for 40 minutes? That must have been like an off-camera one. I don't remember when I did that. Anyway, so interesting stats there. And once again, obviously, not even tomorrow will fully fill out this 30-day chart. And it's just been an amazing run. Largest single profit trade today. Largest single green day today. Just an absolutely insane day. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, could you please hit the like button. Once again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below about me just showing you the end of those kind of $20 to $30 like middling trades. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. With all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out today's video. I will catch you all in the next one.